I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming account and network essentials. Sign into the correct Xbox profile, then confirm Xbox Live Gold or Game Pass. This allows multiplayer access. Once done, run network test network connection so you know if NAT is open, moderate, or strict. If you see strict, write down your console's IP, gateway, and DNS values. These details matter because the router is often the barrier. Make sure your router and console are updated before moving to port and NAT fixes. Now you adjust router and console settings to fix blocked sessions. Assign a static IP on the Xbox so port rules stay consistent. This prevents least changes from breaking rules. Enable UPnP on the router to allow automatic port mapping, and if needed, manually forward TCP 3074 and UDP 3074 to your static IP. Once configured, restart the modem, router, and console so changes apply. If UPnP is unavailable, place the Xbox in the DMZ briefly while testing. Finish by validating the fix and knowing what to do if it fails. Retest the network connection and attempt to join a multiplayer lobby. You should see NAT open or moderate and peers connecting. If it still fails, clear the alternate MAC under network settings and power cycle the console. Full shutdown, unplug 10 seconds, restart. If problems persist, check for double NAT or carrier-grade NAT with your ISP. This is the single key blocker that often requires the ISP to resolve, so contact them if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.